Hello everyone, in this video I'll tell you how to add a desktop icon of Google Meet on your desktop here. So first of all you have to connect your internet. This is so common. And now open Google Chrome, any browser you can open. For I am opening Google Chrome, and here you can see a lots of apps provided by Google. You can select any of them. Here you can see the Meet option also, but if you want the icon in your desktop, like wait, I'll add here. I will show you. If you want to add it in your desktop, so you have to click on this or type the address of meet dot google dot com. Okay, you have to type the address, or I'm saying just click here. Okay, and now when the website is open or the page, just go to the option customization, go there and more tools, create a shortcut, and here name your shortcut, which is Google Meet obviously. Now let's click on create. You can see there is no shortcut yet. Just I'll create and you will see that create, and now here Google Meet. Okay, by this you can add a desktop icon of Google Meet. This is so easy.